Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to analyze why some businesses are failing on Facebook ads. It's just a numbers game. So I meet owners all the time, and a lot of times there are some people that they have the illusion that they're going to just save their business by doing Facebook ads when they don't have numbers that they're suitable for Facebook ads. We're going to go into my PC. Of course, these people don't fall under the illusion, they do understand it, but there are some people that they don't understand that their numbers don't make any sense for Facebook advertisement. We're going to focus some key metrics that we see, and we're going to see what we're getting and what we're expecting from Facebook to give us, and if this is logical or not. So I'm going to take you into this account. Of course, I asked the permission from the owners if I can educate other people with their numbers and stuff, and we're going to see several things. As you can see, this is Polish zloty, so I will make all the calculations with you. I have my mobile phone next to me. What I want to focus in on this ad account is this ad account has spent 62k on the month of November, and we will analyze a little bit the numbers, and we will start deciding if they have to fix something. Okay, so we will start to seeing what are they having. First of all, the first thing that we need to clarify about this account is that when you do a campaign and when you do broad targeting or lookalikes or whatever, you are having sales, which means that the pixel is actually trained and it doesn't understand the product. Maybe not as trained as we really wanted, but it understands the product. Secondly, if we go here, we can see that we have 23 zloty. So we have 23 zloty, which is 5 euros, 5.7 euros, which is normal. They were having in other months between 4 and 5 on the CPM. So the CPM is okay. It's okay for Poland and other countries in Europe to have this kind of CPM. It's not like we see an expensive CPM like other ad accounts. For example, I would like to show you this ad account over here, that you can see that we are having 13.5 pounds with in the United Kingdom with interests, and here 49 in a broad targeting audience, which means that our pixel is not ready, that the broad targeting is more expensive. Here we can see that with broad and all of that, we're getting the same CPM, which is a very good sign that these are normal CPMs. Also comparing them to other companies, this is on the niche of the interior design. Okay, so we have a normal CPM, which means that can we improve more? Can we get cheaper traffic from the CPM? No, because we are already in a lower CPM. Let's see if we can blame our creatives. Our creatives over here, they are operating with 3.51, which is 0.8 cost per unique click, which is very good. When you have below 1, it's actually very good. And decent click-through rates, 1.84. We consider this very good. Anything above 1.5, consider very good. So we know that the problem is not on the creatives. Let's continue and let's see over here the checkout, because maybe they have a problem, for example, in the funnel. What we are observing over here is that when we see the checkouts, we can see that most of the time with 1,800, they have 800. So if we do 1,800 divided with 872, that means that it's 2.0 something. So every 2 checkouts, they get 1 purchase. Perfect conversion rate. That means that the funnel is not breaking on the checkout or add to cart. People continue and they keep buying after that point. So we have also good conversion rate. And then we come to ROAS, which we need 2 ROAS plus. But after we see that we have a trained pixel, which is getting sales, we see that we have normal CPMs, good creatives, and that means that we have the very decent cost for our traffic in conversion ads with the CPMs and the cost per unique click and the CTR as a comparison. Then we see that the funnel is converting very well with checkout and purchases. We don't have any issues with that. For example, it's not like other ad accounts that they have every 5 checkouts, for example, 1 purchase. Over there, we know that we have a problem. Maybe we need to improve our funnel for people to convert more. I think that here the issue is an issue of average order value. And this is what I'm understanding, because here the cost per purchase that the company is getting, 284 zloty, is on 65 euros as a cost per purchase, which is not bad, not good, considering that they're selling items for I'm not going to reveal the price, but let's say that it's not good or bad. Okay, so the point here is this. If we see it from a perspective of cost per purchase and ROAS, and that the fact that they're not getting the ROAS that they want, then we're starting seeing the actual problem. The actual problem here is this, that their pixel and everything and the numbers that they get on Facebook, they're not going to change dramatically from now and later. Especially we had the Black Friday period on November here with promos and everything, that we can see that they didn't yield the results that they wanted. So the situation is simple. We start seeing our business from numbers, and we don't just try to fix the business through Facebook, because Facebook is giving you these numbers, and if it's not working for you, well done, someone else is going to take your place. So it really depends on what you want to do. Do you want to continue advertising on Facebook or not? If yes, you need to start working on other numbers, and over here it's obvious, because we get these numbers, we get them consistently between. What do you expect to happen? Just a magic strategy? Just maybe a cooperation with Kim Kardashian would help here for sure, but I'm not saying that you cannot fix it with crazy things. But over here we're talking about a normal e-commerce store that doesn't have these resources. So the numbers are like this, and you have to accept these numbers. What are you going to do? Increase your average order value. They already have bundles. They are going to work a little bit on bundles. Maybe you are selling too cheap. On the other hand, maybe you are having a very low profit margin, which is an issue, or you are having a very expensive cost or shipping, and you need to start renegotiating with the factory that is doing your products, or your shipping rates and everything. In other words, here, these are the numbers that you're going to take, because we don't have issues with creatives, so nothing to improve there. Nothing. There's always room for improvement, but nothing drastic, which is going to change the situation. Creatives, the funnel is working. CPM and cost of traffic is okay. The only thing that is not working is the cost per purchase and the ROAS. That means that you need to fix the numbers of your company. And I hope that it makes sense and it's clear for you. I would really like to help also the owners that letting me use their numbers to fix that. We are in the process of fixing it, and I really hope that in some months from now, we're going to come here and we're going to say that okay, we have done this and that and it was fixed, and maybe it's going to be another case study. Another thing that you can do, of course, is lower the spend. Maybe they have to spend 10K in order for them to be profitable, but I'm not sensing that based on the CPM, but a lot of times the CPM is irrelevant to that. You're just lowering the spend and you're having better sales even with the same CPM. So I think that this is going to help some of you. Some of you are going to be salty about it and don't accept it. It's fine. Eventually you will be left out of money and you won't be able to advertise on Facebook. Facebook is not the solution to all of your problems. You have to solve the problem of your business and make the numbers straight before you go to Facebook. Facebook is the platform that takes something that works and starts making it bigger, scaling it. It's not a platform that will make your company to work if your numbers don't make sense. I hope that this makes sense, and I hope that it's going to help some of you. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, and my website, of course. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.